In this video, we are going to discuss about three white soldiers. What it means of three white soldiers. First of all, three white soldier is the pattern of bullishness. Okay. And what is meant by three here? Because we need to check three bullish candles, but it should be formed in some pattern. The pattern is look like this one, right? What it means is just check three candles which is forming one above another. Let me talk it again, like let me say it again. The three candles which is formed one by another means, suppose this candle is formed, just mark at middle level. If another candle forms above this, crossing this, again mark this level. And if again third candle, like first candle, second candle and third candle is also formed like this one, means three bullish candle. That means it is a three white soldier. So three white soldiers. Why I marked the middle? Because for a confirmation, it's always good that this candle will not break the middle of these candles and continue his run above these middles. Sometimes what will happen, you will see, you will check this candle, again this candle, and again this candle. This is not a three white soldier. Even if it's one above another, this is not a three white soldier. The best three white soldier is just to look like this one, like, or if you see in the example, this one, right? Now how to make an entry with this three white soldier? It's really simple. After finding out three candle, just mark high of the third candle and just make an entry high of the third candle. Now where to put stop loss? The logical stop loss is below the first candle, right? Logical stop loss is below the first candle, but this stop loss is too long and it should be, sometimes it will not be in our risk capacity. So what I am doing is I am putting my stop loss below middle of this second candle, putting stop loss here. So it's easier for me to put logical stop loss in a safe side, as well as I need to book, I will get a good enough profit. Why enough profit? Because first of all, it's a bullish sign and I am taking a trade breakout at this candle. My stop loss is here. Very low chances my stop loss may hit, because indirectly saying it's a full of buying zone. If market come down, again buying will happen and market will go upside. Now let's take a real-time example. Let me show you on the plots, right? Just let me open the plots. See here, I already shortlisted three white soldier for you. See, if I mark here, this is my first, second, third candle. So what I am doing is I am marking high of this third candle, low of this third candle, or middle of this second candle. My stop loss is here, my entry point is here. Once my entry point is activated, if you see, lots of buying comes in the market, lots of buying, because it's a pure sign of bullishness. Lots of buying comes in the market, right? This much rally we got. Now again we can say some three green candles. Like, is this a 1, 2, 3? Is this a three white soldier? In my point of view, no. Why? I marked the middle of this candle, middle of this candle, and middle of this candle, but it break the middle. So I am not comfortable with this type of formation. When I am comfortable, when I see the pure three white soldiers, the one above another. Let's take another example here. If you check here, 1, 2, 3, but it's not a three white soldier. Why? Mark middle. It's always breaking the middle. So market not contains that much buying pressure. It represent market is not in full of buying zone. Just need to check the three white soldier. For example, here, this one we can say that failure example, first, second and third. Even if it's one another, we need to make an entry above this zone, right? Entry here and stop loss is middle of here, stop loss. And in this example, our entry point is got activated in the live market and our stop loss got hit. But it's not an issue. It's it's a market, and profit and loss is the part of the game, and we need to accept both. So it's not like every strategy is 100% working and every strategy is not 70%. It's not like that. It's completely depend on market, but still it will help us to restrict our losses in a much better manner. For example, if you see 3 bullish candle, first, second, third, enter at here, put stop loss at here, and you will get enough money in the sense enough rally to trade with. Now again, one last example I will check and we can close this video. See here, if you see first candle, second candle, third candle, and entry point is here, stop loss is here, and I am getting within 2 candles I am getting the good amount, right? So this is the magic of 3 white soldiers. Again, if you not understand video, again watch this video. But these 3 white soldier is really important and one of my most favorite pattern also. And one more thing is remaining, that is in which time frame it will work best. In my point of view, in 5 minutes it will work very best. Do not check in 10 minutes or 15 minutes for the intraday. The reason why I am telling this, because 10 minutes candle is very long candle and big candles, and it will suppose this is the 10-minute candle, one, again this is the 10 minute, and again this is the 10 minutes, means already profit will gone, and people are starting people will start book their profit from these zones. So better to check in the 1 minute, in 5 minutes. Do not check in 1 minute or 3 minutes. It will not give that much accuracy, but within 5 minutes candlestick it will give much more accuracy. You can also observe and let me know in the comment section. Thanks. See you in next video.